PRAVAAH stands for Platform for Regulatory Application, Validation and Authorization. It is a secure, centralized web-based portal that is digital platform launched by the RBI on May 28, 2024. It is designed to streamline and simplify the process for individuals and entities to apply for various regulatory approvals, licenses and authorizations from the RBI. From May 1, 2025, the RBI has mandated that all scheduled commercial banks, including small finance banks, local area banks and regional rural banks, urban cooperative banks, state and central cooperative banks, all India financial institutions, non-banking financial companies including housing finance companies, primary dealers, payment system operators, credit information companies and other regulatory entities must exclusively use this portal for submitting applications related to regulatory approvals to improve transparency, efficiency and speed in processing. This portal provides all necessary application forms, instructions, tracking features and support materials like user manuals, frequently asked questions and video tutorials. This portal offers several key features which is designed to streamline regulatory applications and approvals like online application submission. Applicants can submit their applications electronically through the portal, eliminating the need for paper-based submissions. Application tracking. The portal allows applicants to track and monitor the status of their application in real time. Query response system. Users can respond directly to any clarifications or queries raised by the RBI regarding their applications. Timely decision making. This portal is designed to deliver decisions from the Reserve Bank within a specified time frame. Comprehensive form coverage. Currently, it includes 60 application forms across various regulatory and supervisory departments with plans for expansion. General purpose form. For requests not covered by specific forms, applicants can use a general purpose form. User support resources. This portal provides user manuals, FAQs and video tutorials to help applicants to navigate the system. Alert notifications. Applicants receive alerts about their application progress. Centralized repository. The portal creates a consolidated repository of all approvals sought by an entity, facilitating due diligence processes. Support ticket system. Users can raise support tickets regarding any issues with application filed on the portal. The PRAVAAH portal has already processed approximately 4,000 plus applications since it launched May 2024 and it is mandatory use from May 1st, 2025 as it aims to enhance efficiency, transparency and processing speed for regulatory approvals. This portal supports a wide range of application types for regulatory purposes including new license application, regulatory authorization request, approval of changes in management, reporting obligations, policy clarifications, permissions under FEMA or other applicable regulations, digital life certificate submissions, especially for pensioners. Currently, there are over 100 specific forms available for various requests. If a particular form is not available, applicant can use a general purpose form for unique or special submissions. This portal improves the regulatory application process in several significant ways. It provides a unified digital interface for submitting, tracking and managing all regulatory requests, eliminating the need for multiple channels or paper-based submissions. Applicant can monitor the real-time status of their applications and receive alerts, making the process more transparent and reducing uncertainty. By digitalizing and standardizing workflows, the portal speeds up processing times and ensures faster delivery of approvals and licenses. The portal offers the manuals, FAQs, and videos tutorial to guide users, further simplifying the process. It consolidates all applications and approvals for each entity, aiding due diligence and record keeping. Applicant can respond to RBI queries directly through the portal, streamlining communication and reducing delays.